Mama wakwaba aha eye GCN page so midin ede adwoa searchi ene ne dey kan a wo de ehwe me a mesrew na wa subscribe to my channel we are now don sa emi abel ne so ubenya notification ene sa ne news de betum bia obenye bia tie anase obenye bia hwe ewo GCN page ha Ghana hanom se ye ka enkrofo a Ghana man ede respect emomo a yentumi Reverend Dr. Joyce Aryee emfi ena afen so ohenere gifty auntie ena enkrofo bi keka ho a omo asemba yentimi enka enhyeda enka ne ye because of odo a ye wo ede emomo nti enkrofo bi wo omaimu a yebuo mu ye papapa na ende Reverend Dr. Joyce Aryee wa ya de Ghana for eche so mo adi ne hu ya ye papapa adenti eda maami oyesa na edenti na Ghana for eche se omo adi Mama Joyce ne ho eya oni na ne se Mama Joyce ekoye interview ewo UTV na owie no e na kwame ye plus ayede ekotwa video anase interview ne part edekoto ni Instagram page and or caption was say please mommy has a message for you na try say and some mama me no e kan o de e magana for Ghana for yen kire ya adwen na adwen kire ni mu no e na bebre na akomo adwen e de akire Madam Joyce Aryee a enya asem keto akra na ensem ni na ne say Reverend Dr. Joyce Aryee eko UTV na interview ni mu na o kire say a National Cathedral His Excellency Nana Danko Akufo-Addo se obesi ede amagana mino oslenya yen supporting Nanado na untumi ensi National Cathedral no na adofo yi na so ye beka ya na se na ye be dia dance se National Cathedral no Ghana hanom se ye chema be 1% pe na supporting enkani na because adwuma eni o man mu youth de se na Nanado bi a ye bre one say COVID-19 abe crash down the economy into your break and our friends to Russia and Ukraine almost to Queen so and also into yanka say bread that the year who yen left from your right. I just say dollar rate cost it's a National Cathedral say oh title pa youth in it almost National Cathedral na bibi say one for one tikram by National Cathedral no one pen as well for be now so say oh National Cathedral na ye Bebre so se National Cathedral no yesia eyade a eye edi sika kra beba omani mu International Cathedral no de se nanado esi ena ye beka yan His Excellency Nat'l Danko Akufo-Addo so abra obeye president no em so ohye me boss obeye president a obesi National Cathedral anase obesi cathedral e de ahye nyakopon animonyam Nanado abeye president na se by hook or crook so to me National Cathedral na eno na Ghana for so say o man adwuma eni o man ni mu International Cathedral de ewrade Nanado twene mu tanya de ma na wasi International Cathedral de ye mpene ye tie kura say youth no enya adwuma wo man ni mu Ghana for ye ho atan na Nanado usi National Cathedral nya de a eba ha ye nkranti youth ndo mo National Cathedral tie na Reverend Dr. Joyce Aryee eko UTV a o ye interview ya okoka National Cathedral ho asem akwame A+ ede ebeto ni Instagram page a okachire yen se yentie message a Mama Joyce ewo de ma yen Ghana fo bebre e tromo adwe because kwame A+ or the caption ekoto no opese e kire adwen kire so buy Madam Joyce Aryee ye penasem yi papa but kwame A+ ede sa video ne beto ho a o caption ase a opese Ghana fo ye kire adwen no yen so ya kire adwen na Ghana fo de e pewasem na e pewasem but wo de yen ko bebia he se wo de yen ko a ya adwen de e be ka kire despite say ye pewa 7 no o de yakọ be yempa ya adwen de be ka kire na yentie comment a Ghana fo bi ema ede e kire Reverend Dr. Joyce Aryee e wa bra o de sa ensem no etu dwa no we she loves Stoneboy and o say we need hospitals and jobs please and we so Dahama GH and o say is it that they don't realize what is happening or it's deliberate? Is this really that urgent? Thought she was about to console the nation about the increase in ECG, fuel prices, dollar crisis, amongst others. Hey, And DKB ever reply the hammer GH and say, bro, whoa. I'm shocked. And I went so HSA. Mommy, please, can you clear all your account balance on behalf of mine? And I went so ASA and HSA. What I want to say to her right now is not on my keypad. Wish I could do a voice note. And I went so mercy and HSA every month as if they have put us on salary. Okay. And I went so HSA really, oh, this woman don't let, okay. And I went say really, oh, this woman don't let people insult you for me la. Ow. And I went so HSA, mommy, please, when did you start smoking weed? Oh my God. And I went so HSA, youth empowerment, factories, infrastructures, projects that will last the tests of time, not cathedral that can come much later when we have met the most pressing needs of Ghanaians. Okay, and I went so say, so this woman don't have shame at all. And I went so say she's really not in her rightful mind. Comment what you me to answer. And yes, and Papa Madam Joyce and Kofope was in National Cathedral was a men can be because commenter a course sort of and ya de shen crying.
Amai mapa mo dogana menimu dinkita when you meya na nya bone ejidifo amai mapa mo dogana menimu dinkita when you meya na nya bone National Cathedral yesi amaye fapema Ghana sunsum esiso emredu se ye tafri menyini mom ye nyina ye de ye ho ebe ka ho anayesi na ye be ye ne den ne ayadwen ho ne se yenya nipa opepe 1 million na wo mu tua 100 Ghana cedis busumi bia yebetumi awie odan ni si by middle of 2024 because my fans afie atwam na afie po ne ye sha ase a 2023 2024 middle de na ye wie obi beka se wi ase edin eye no kware nanso ubetumi ahyenyame bo se ubemia wani na 100 cedis no wahwehwe bi busumi bia yenka se na awotwe yenka se dakro se busumi bia wodi 100 cedis beton chain me fan se na awotwe bia wodi 25 cedis to ho na awotwe 9 bia wobenya 100 cedis na nka wodi ko star 979 hash ana 055 575 0000 now they are comma Cathedral obi wo ho a obeka sa me de cement na me wo na me pese me deba ekwan da ho ebi a wo de 100 cedis na ye kan wo ni bi nanso wo 50 cedis wo pese wo deba ekwan da ho obi wo ho a wo say na wo twi bia mema 20 cedis ekwan da ho obi wo ho a wo say me usumi bia mema 10,000 ekwan da ho se mema 500 ekwan da ho mema 1,000 ekwan da ho ni nyina method kona star 979 hash ana 055 575 0000 yene banks miensa ane ani wo mudi nkita ho ADB Bank ena yewo Fidelity Bank ena yewo